Most recently, I had a parent that drove over an hour and a half because of the fact that I had the Solea laser. Her child had been seen at another general dentist office and had experienced having a needle for 2 composites that weren't even fully completed, in my opinion. But in addition to that, there were 6 other cavities, all MOs and DOs in the pediatric patient. So this is considered 4 quadrants of dentistry. And traditionally, maybe I do a half mouth at a time, but due to the fact that they had traveled so far and the child was very cooperative, we were able to complete all 4 quadrants in less than an hour from start to finish. So to be able to do 8 composites and give this patient and the mom the joy of not having to come back to the office again, giving them a good experience, they left with a smile on their face.